This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device meets basic needs. Android version and about 200 MB free, so downloads complete. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want associated with Among Us. This prevents account confusion later. Now open Google Play and locate the Among Us store page. Tap it to continue. This first action gets you into the installer flow and ensures progress saves to the correct Google account, which matters for purchases and cloud data. After tapping Install, wait for the download and automatic installation. Interruptions can corrupt the install, so avoid heavy network use. When you open Among Us, the app requests permissions, grant storage and microphone if you plan voice chat, because denied permissions can block saves or features. On the first run, the game will prompt sign-in options. Choose the Google Play option to link your account. This step connects your progress and purchases to Google Play services, so you don't lose data across devices. Once you select Google Play sign-in, verify by checking your avatar, name, and achievements, which indicate a successful link. If sign-in fails, don't panic. Clear the Google Play app cache or temporarily remove and re-add your Google account under Settings to refresh tokens. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch Wi-Fi or use mobile data to test. If problems persist, restart the device or reinstall Among Us. These steps resolve most account sync issues and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.